Today we are going to see the topic relationship. Okay, already you know the relationship means it is a connectivity between one table to another table. Okay, this is called as a relationship. Okay, so already we seen two tables. The name of the tables in MS Access 8th standard. Okay, see here 8th standard database. Okay, in this database I created here now two tables, table 1 and the name of the table another one, school. I created here the two tables. Okay, the tables, table number 1 and school. We created two tables. Okay, in this table how to create a relationship means we have to go to external data. Okay, external data or database tools, where it is available that relationship in database tools. Under the database tools, in toolboxes, show and hide options. In that options we having a relationship option. Okay, so here what information is given for that relationship means define how the data in table is related, such as id fields. Okay, id fields, id means fields. If we given the column name, no, that one id field, name field in the different table that should match. Okay, which column is matching in that primary table to the secondary table. Okay, so in we having a two table, in that two tables also many columns we assigned. Okay, in that column I mean only one column name must be equal. Okay, for example, in school table, serial number, name, bus id, bus route number, these column names there, and table column, serial number, name, bus number, bus route id, date, descending order, like that it will go one by one the columns names. Okay, which columns are equal in this both table? Okay, that column name only we can assign the relationship. Okay, yeah, so I will show now how to create a relationship. First we need to click the relationship. Okay, the system asking the name. Okay, the show table option is there. No, in that show table only query we are going to match. No, or table only we are going to match. Okay, or both, the both also we are going to match. Okay, that whatever it is, but we need to select that option. Okay, but now we are going to match the in the two tables, only tables column names only we are matching. Okay, so in this school column, okay, in the school table it will come all the columns name came, and another one we have to move and keep some places, and you have to double click on the second table, then that also will come. Okay, yeah, so the table 1 and I have to give okay, so in this column name came two times. Okay, so hide the table, I hide it. Okay, so the school table and the table 1 table, in this two table we assign the bus id is a primary key. In school table the bus id is a primary key, and table 1 serial number is a primary key. Okay, we can set whatever. Okay, this is our wish. Okay, yeah, so we need to create a relationship. Okay, yeah, so how to create a relationship means create the table relationship means in the first table which column we are decided for set the relationship. Bus route number, here also bus route number, both also same is there. Okay, so that we are going to see, that we are going to assign. Okay, so double click on the school. Okay, school table, after that we have to click create new, and that left table name. Okay, left table name this one. Okay, in that I selected school. Okay, in that school table which column we are assign? Bus route number. Done. Next one, right table, which one? Table 1, and column name the same, bus route id. Okay, we set. Okay, and give okay means system will create, and when you click create means it will come. See here bus route number, and the second table also bus route number, both also now we created the relationship. Okay, like that. Okay, whatever table and how many tables we having, it's not bother. Okay, easily we can set, we can create MS Access. Okay, what are the topic and what are the sub content we are going to study in this chapter? Okay, the MS Access queries, about the query, parts of the query window, what are the parts available on the query window, MS Access forms, MS Access forms. okay, and how to create a query using a query MS Access report. After created the report, after created the query, what the result we getting from that query, and how to prepare the report, that we are going to see. Okay, children, in this previous chapter we have studied the introductions to MS Access 2010. In this chapter we will study how to create queries, forms and reports. Okay, yeah, the first information, the query in MS Access produces select the record from the table that meets certain predefined conditions. Okay, predefined conditions, we have to set the predefined the condition, we have to see the predefined conditions and the value. A form is used to add, modify and remove record in the table. Okay, நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், values add பண்ண போறோம், remove பண்ண போறோம் or create பண்ண போறோம். Okay, it is a graphical representation of table. Report is a effective way of presenting your data in a printed format. The printed format only they are easy they are calling, it is called as a report. Okay, the first topic, MS Access queries. Okay, MS Access queries. Here query is used to apply the filter in a table data to select the record. Okay, from the big collections of record. Now I selected, now I created one table. The name of the table same as like as a school table. Okay, in that school table what are the column names available? Serial number, name of the student, subject English, marks, Tamil marks, max marks, science marks, SST marks and science marks, computer science marks. Okay, these informations I selected, I created. Okay, for this table we are going to see the query, we set the query. Okay, how to we can set the query, that and all we are going to see. Generally query means is nothing but it is a sorted list. Okay, we have to set and sort the list. Okay, thousands of record we having now. From that thousands of record, the selected the particular record we are taking from the particular table. Okay, but now I am having only 3 record. I typed, I've entered only 3 records. Okay, so it is very easy for taking the files. Okay, taking the Shubha informations and the Ramesh information, Vaishnav informations and all. Okay, it is one of the telephone book directory in the particular Erode district or particular Karur district or in Tamil Nadu. Okay, how many customers are having? Okay, we can't able to calculate. No, many thousands of lakhs and crores of people are available having a many mobiles. Okay, because one people having a 3 mobiles. No. Okay, so we can take the who and all Ramesh. Okay, total of the Tamil Nadu who and all Ramesh. Okay, that people information we need to take from that book or the telephone directory. Means it is a very easy to using the query option. Okay, that only we are going to learn how to create a query. Okay, see, after created the table we have to go to database tools. What is that? Database tools. Okay, it is there, check it. Database tool is there? No. And previous external data. Okay, previous external data, table option is there. Okay, when you click the table means how many columns did you created, that all the columns name will be shown to you. Okay, check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 columns there. And after come to query option, here how many columns it's come here name. See here, serial number 1 2 3 4 5 6, so up to science 6. Okay, and SST7 CSH, so all the columns also came now. Okay, yeah. So after that, okay, after that you have to click serial number. Okay, if you select the serial numbers mean it will not come here. Okay, when you double click on the serial numbers mean it will come in the first column. Okay, for set the query. Okay, see here I'm going to double click. It came serial number from the school table, both also will come. Okay, second one. Okay, my cursor is there. Second, name. Okay, name field, first one field, second one table, third one sort, and fourth one show, and fifth one criteria, and sixth one or option. From this is the part of the query window. Okay, this is the part of the query window. Okay, so in this what are the fields available? Okay, first one field, from what from the school table what field you are assigned for the set query. Okay, so second one, table, from which table you are setting the query. Okay, I having only one school table, from that school table we are assigned. Okay, and many school name is then we can set. And third one, sort. Okay, what type of sorting, that one. Okay, first we need to assign all the field name. Okay, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, and finally eighth one. All the field names are came. Okay, and field names fetched and table name also came. The third one, sorting, right? The show option is there, no, that one. Show option, after calculated, after getting the result, we have to see or not, the system want to show to you or not. Okay, when you tick mark is ticked means it will be show to you. If you unticked means the options will come. Okay, that means the ascending order will come, but it will not show to you because I unticked. Okay, yeah, so ticked. Then criteria. Criteria is a very important one for the query. Okay, because that place only want to create the what is that calculation part. Okay, so the serial number no need to calculation, name also no need to calculation. In English, okay, இங்கிலீஷில் யாரெல்லாம் பாஸ் மார்க் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, இப்போ டேபிள் போவோம். So here English 90, 98, 87. Okay, so here no one not below 40. Okay, all are above 80 only. Okay, அப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன், above 90 யாராக இருக்க போகிறாங்கன்னு பார்க்க போகிறேன். Okay, I'm going to show to you who and all above 90 got marks from the English subject. So who and all will come, Vaishnav will come, Subha will only, two members only will come. Okay, Ramesh will not come because Ramesh marks below 90. Okay, see here, query, okay, in English, okay, greater than 90. I told you the two members names will come. Who are the two member names? Subha and Vaishnav, but the result is only Subha's names come. Why? In that query I given what I given, greater than 90. Okay, greater than 90, 90 க்கு மேலே இருக்கிறவங்க தான் வரணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். ஓகேயா, 90க்கு மேலே இருக்கிறவங்க தான் வரணும் அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். See here, Vaishnav is a 90, Subha is a 98, and Ramesh is a 87. Okay, what I given, see here in design view, above 90. See here, above 90 na 90 கிடையாது, above 90 தான், 90 கிடையாது, above 90 only. So what I want to given, greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to. Again I save the query, run the query. Going to learn MS Access Forms. MS Access Forms. Okay, a form is a convenient way to enter data into the database. Okay, the form is a convenient way to enter the data. ஒரு டேட்டாவில் டேட்டாபேஸில் values we can enter inside the table. It is very easy to convenient access the data. Okay, which one is called means forms. Okay, a form can be used for viewing all the fields in one screen instead of the scrolling in various data sheet. In various data sheets no need to scroll the different values. Okay, for seeing that, instead of that scrolling the database we can use the forms menu, it will come easily. MS Access connects a form to a table and store the information contained in a form into a table. Okay, automatically the MS Access connected into a table for fetching the data. Okay, a form is very useful when you have numerous fields in a table. Okay, numerous fields means more than one data or files we can see, means it will come easily. I will show you now. Okay, I created one table here. Now I am going to create a forms. Okay, where we have to go, the same create menu. Okay, form is there, no, in that form we have to go. Okay, so first one table is there, second one form option is there. First one table is there, second one form option is there, third one report, and fourth one others. Okay, fourth one others. Now we are going to see forms, how to create a form. Okay, how to create a form. Okay, how many forms options there? First one, form view, layout view, design view. Form view, layout view, and design view. Okay, எங்க இருக்கு form view? Here form wizard, data sheet wizard, model dialog box, pivot table. Okay, so in form 3 views and all, in view option, okay, form view, second one layout view, and third one design view. Form view, layout view, design view. Okay, this form view is used to, it is used for typing or editing data, typing and editing for the data. Okay, and second one design view. Okay, this it is used for modifying the design of the form, modifying and design of the form in this place. Okay, yeah. And the third one layout view. Okay, third one is a layout view. Okay, layout means overall performance, overall informations of the 3 view. Okay, click the format tab, click on the more button of auto format to choose the style from the gallery in the layout view. Okay, format tab, where is the format tab? In this one, auto format option. Where is auto format option? Okay, so